This table means nothing until you turn it into this. In today's video, we are building a complete Excel dashboard by using pivot tables only. No VBA, no formula, just real Excel skills that can be used at work. Let's see what will be included in our dashboard. In the top section, we shall mention KPIs, total sales, total units sold, total orders. In the middle section, we shall display sales by category, sales by region. In the bottom section, we shall display top 5 products by total sales, sales by salesperson. In the right side, we shall display slicers. These slicers play role of filters. The slicer will include category, region, salesperson, and date. To build this dashboard, we need a separate pivot table for each category. Let's start building it. Let's understand our data. We have a sample sales data that include orders, date, region, salesperson names, category, product names, units sold, unit price, and total sales. For better management, we will convert our data into a table so that whenever a new record is added, that will be automatically reflected into pivot table summary. To do this, click on the cell, then press Ctrl A to select the entire range, then press Ctrl T to convert it into a table and click this record, this checkbox that my table has headers. Click OK, and now our data is converted into a table. For more better management, you can name it, go to design, and we will name it as main table. Now we will add our first pivot table on this data. Click anywhere on this data, then go to insert, then go to pivot table. Select the pivot table range. It should include all our range. We will select new worksheet because we want separate tables and we need more than one table so that we can display for each category. So we will select the new worksheet. Click OK. Our first pivot table structure is ready. We will click on this pivot table. As I told, we need our KPIs, total units sold, total sales, and we will take order ID to count the total orders, and then we can choose any field in the row section to make our table working. Now let's format our fields before going into summaries. For order ID, right now it is giving us as number, but we need it at count because we are counting the orders. We are not taking the sum of orders. So right click on this field, go to value field settings, and then show value as. Click on number format. The format will be general, but we will summarize it by count. Press OK. Now it is counting orders for us. Number of units sold, we will leave it as because we need sum of units sold. For sales, it is an amount, so we need it in the form of currency. Right click on it, go to value field settings. Sum is OK, but for format we shall need it a currency format, and it's your choice. So we will need no decimal points. Press OK, and now our sum of total sales is converted into a currency. Our first table is ready. We will use these 3 fields to make our KPIs. The next thing we need sales by region. So we will copy this pivot table and paste here. but we will change our scenario. In this pivot table, it is region wise total sales, so we don't need order ID, I am removing it. We don't need number of unit sales, I am removing it. Now the second pivot table is showing us region wise sales. The third pivot table, we need sales by salesperson, so we will copy and paste it. Let's adjust to make a good space. We need sales by category, so we will remove the region column and take the category in the rows. So we have category wise total sales, region wise total sales, and for KPIs, the next thing we need sales by salesperson, so I'm copying this data. Then remove category from rows because we need sales by salesperson, so we have sales by salesperson. The last thing we need top 5 products. Copy this pivot table, paste it here and select product wise total sales. Click here, go to field settings, click here, go to filter, top 10. We need top 5, so we will reduce it to top 5, sum by total sales. So these are our top 5 products by sales. Now our basic structure is ready. Let's start building the dashboard. That will be our second part. I am going to name it pivot tables. Add new sheet and name this sheet as dashboard. Here we will add our 3 KPIs. I will name it total sales and I'll make this as merge cells. Let's give it Control V. Let's add some borders against these. Repeat the same. Units sold, total orders. Alright, I am going to view and removing the grid lines so that we have a clear and professional look of our pivot table, our dashboard. Also we need a professional background color, so I am giving it a very light background color. You can choose as per your choice, so here I am going to take this color. Here we will need total sales. Let me make a slightly bold. Let's make some good colors. Let's change it to white. And now we will display here total sales. We will take our total sales from here. Our total sales are mentioning in this column. So what we will do, we will click here, we will go to address bar, press equal sign and come to pivot table and click here, then press enter. Our value will go here. Just center align it and enlarge it as per your choice. Make it bold and give it a currency sign, and also you can reduce decimal point. So our total sales are here. Similarly, we will press click here, then go to address bar, go back to pivot table and click here total unit sold. Our total unit sold are 962. Press enter and it will go there. Similarly, make it align and make it enlarge as per your choice. Total units sold and then our total orders. Similarly, press equal sign. You can see in the address bar, go to pivot table and we have total orders 40. Press enter. Similarly, we can copy this format into our table. So until now our KPIs are ready. Now we need to mention sales by region. We have pivot table which is showing sales by region. What we will do, we will add a graph into this. Click on this pivot table, go to insert, come to graph, select this basic graph, press Ctrl X and bring it into pivot table. Our graph is here. Let's adjust it. Click on sum of total sales and hide all value field buttons. Click on the total, we don't need this. These are, give it a chart title, sales by region. We can move here, change its color to black, and you can press and Control B to make it bold, also Control B to make it bold. Now we need to mention values on it. Click here and then press this plus sign and go to data label. Our data label, once you press on the data label, the value will come here. Press on this, press Ctrl B, make its color as black and enlarge it as per your choice. So sales by region is ready. The next is sales by category. Similarly, click on this sales by category, go to insert, choose the column, or you can go to more columns for more better demand, and you can select from here. So we will select this time the bar chart. Press OK, press Ctrl X and go to this dashboard field, press here. Now we have our sales by category. Right click on this, hide all value field buttons. We don't need this one, we don't need this one. Press here and give it a chart title, sales by category. Click on this and convert it to black, and then click anywhere on this chart, press on this plus sign, go to data label, and once you click the data label, you will see the number of sales. Press on this any sales, select all of them, give it a black color and make it a bold. Control B to get the total sales. Now the next thing is sales by salesperson. Come back to pivot table. Here we have sales by salesperson. Click on it, go to insert, click on chart. Here we will again take the bar chart, press OK, then press Ctrl X, come to dashboard sheet, then click here. I'll expand here, press OK, right click on this, hide all buttons. We don't need this sales, we don't need this. Let's make it clean. Click here, sales by sales person, press here and go to home tab, give it a black color, make it bold, black color, make it bold. We don't need this, sorry. Hide all valuable buttons. I'm going to save the charts. Press OK and then choose data labels. You can make it Ctrl B and enlarge as per your choice. Ctrl B. Now the last thing is sales by top 5 products. What I am going to do, I'm going to click here and format it as a table. Then I'll copy this, come to dashboard and paste here. And you can see that we have got our table, or in the next things we can expand it to make a good sales. After that you can adjust this category column as per the required length. Now let's add some slicers to filter out our data. To add the slicers, what I will do, we can adjust our fields as per our choice. To make the slicers, right click on any of the graph, come to Analyze and click on Insert Slicer. We will take the slicer by region, category, salesperson and date. Press OK and now we have got 4 slicers. Let's adjust them. First we will take sales by region. Click here and in the options make it 2 columns so that it can be better managed. Then sales by category, expand it to adjust size. Click here and take 2 columns. Similarly, sales by salesperson, 2 columns. Then date. For the date I am going to delete it. What we will do for date, we will take for the date the insert timeline. It will give us the exact timeline. Now if you see that if I make the change on this region slicer, you see that only one pivot table values are being changed while for the rest of the values are same. We want it to be reflected on the all values. What we will do, we will connect our slicer with all tables. We will right click, come to report connection and we will make its connection with all our tables or whatever is your choice you can do. Press OK, and now you can see that our all values are being changed. Alright, similarly we will do for category. Report connections. Click on all our tables. These tables are all those who belongs to our individual categories. Press OK. Similarly for this report connection, so that it will reflect on all tables. And now you can see that I am going to press the north. All values are being changed. I'll do a little bit more formatting to make it more looks good. With minor adjustment, our dashboard is ready. We can further make it looks more good. Double click on any bar, then go to this bucket sign, click on this fill, and you can choose fill color of your own choice for any series you would like. Similarly, I'm just giving you the sample. We can make change as per our choice. In my next video, I am going to start a free Excel course from absolute beginners to advanced. If you want structured Excel learning, please subscribe and share with others to help them. See you in the next one.